Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for the segment, we have Stefan Weiper, Senior Vice President and Global Head of Venture Investment at FIS, to discuss the rise of the super app across social media networks. Stefan, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Great, wonderful to be here.
Thank you so much. And tell us about the term super app and how embedded finance is playing a role.
So super apps, if you think about it in very simple terms, is essentially the idea that over the last probably 10, 15 years, all of us have been adopting multiple mobile different applications. We now live in a world where we're looking for simplicity. So really kind of one single app that ultimately allows us to get access to all of the services that we need in our day-to-day lives. Embedded finance is an important part of that. So essentially means that I have banking, I have payment, I have lending needs. Why can't I also access those services in these kind of unified, aggregated app environments?
Is there a growing demand for payments integration on social media platforms?
Absolutely. I mean, we've definitely seen that the choice of we as consumers has expanded in terms of the different channels we're looking to purchase through. So it's not just about whether I shop in store, whether I shop online. This is about all the new channels I can engage. So whether I'm buying things on Instagram, through Facebook, through Twitter, or even in the metaverse, we see really an interest in terms of consumers looking to expand and purchase in these new environments.
Why are we seeing this demand now? Is it generational? Did the pandemic cause a behavioral shift?
I think definitely the pandemic has had an influence in terms of accelerating the consumer adoption we were seeing before then. It's really a lot of us obviously staying at home. The primary way that we were buying and purchasing things was in a digital environment, whether it was through an app or a browser. So we've definitely seen a combination of generational shifts, more consumers feeling comfortable engaging digitally, but then also the acceleration that we've had coming the pandemic with all of us staying at home.
Do you believe that 2023 will be a tipping point for super apps and the rise of embedded solutions for consumers?
Definitely think it will continue the growth that we've seen. I think specifically for embedded finance, we view it as a really an important year as we think about how do you extend banking, payment, lending capabilities into these new environments, into these new channels, especially as we as consumers are looking for more simplicity in terms of where we access those services. So I think we've seen really strong growth the last couple of years. It's going to continue to grow and expand over the next 12 to 18 months.
What are the implications for the broader retail industry when it comes to consumer demand for easy integrated payment solutions?
I think with this challenge of having many more channels that all of us are trying to interact and purchase and engage through, comes the element of we looking for simplicity. We're looking for one single experience. So whether I'm buying something in my car or buying it through an app experience or buying it through a smart home device, I expect whether it's the merchant or bank I'm engaging through to provide me with a single experience that's streamlined payments, that's secure, and that has loyalty embedded in it. So we are looking for unified experiences regardless of the channel that I'm interacting through.
All right. We appreciate the insight, Stefan. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.